Welcome to Conquer MS, where life begins with a redesign. My name is Katrina Toucke, and I was diagnosed with MS in 2011. I gained my life back in 2016 and then reinvented it in the San Juan Mountains of Colorado. So today I'm going to take you on a hike and a dog walk. First, I'm going to think about all the things that I'm grateful for. I'm going to check my calendar, make sure that I'm good to go, and then we're heading out the door, but only after a good breakfast of high protein. This is salmon over zucchini noodles. Sometimes when you're diagnosed with something like MS, it's really easy for you to start losing your independence. What happens is you may have balance issues, you may have vision issues, you may have cognitive or speech issues, and those are all really big items. And then on top of it, you may have incontinence, and that could be caused by temperature changes where it gets really cold or really hot, and all of a sudden, oh my God, I gotta go to the bathroom now. You don't have 5 minutes to wait. You gotta go. So if you plan your outings out and you know exactly what your environment is going to be, are you going to be in a quiet environment where it's you and your dogs maybe, like I am right here? There's nobody out around. It's so peaceful and quiet, and I just love getting out with my dogs. It's cold. If it was hot, I would be much more challenged. I am fortunate that I do well with cold temperatures. Okay, here we go. It's about 1 o'clock. We're a little bit late getting out, but we walked the pups this morning, and it's awesome. Kind of icy?
Yeah, it's icy.
I go for ease, and mine are cute. Crampons are great to have when you're walking in your neighborhood on ice and snow, or if you're out hiking like we are. I like the style. They're cute, and they're easy to put on. There are other crampons that you strap on, and they're not so easy for me. This is the trail that we're hiking. Lots of stairs. Good for your butt. After COVID, I want to get my butt back.
Well, just don't turn left.
At least there's a fence. This is not the trail you want to lose your balance on. Do it anyways.
It's fun after you're scared.
Feel the fear and do it anyways. That has been my motto all along. You just hold yourself back if you want to do something and you're afraid of doing it. What are you afraid of doing? Do you hold yourself back or do you go for it? You feel so empowered after you do it. It's amazing. Oh, don't forget your walking poles. Walking poles are so good for balance. In the beginning, I didn't want walking poles because I thought they were for old people, but they really do help, especially when you're hiking on trails like this. You could see me coming down the mountain there, approaching the bridge. There's some ice. It's a good thing I have my crampons on and I have my walking poles. One of the groups that I found in 2012, after I got diagnosed, is called outdoormindset.org. Check them out. They are a fantastic group. They're for people that have neurological challenges, and they really, really helped me because I wasn't able to go out for walks and be independent. And as a group, we all went out and we all understood each other's challenges, and so we would help and support each other. So it's like a support group, but it's way better because you're out doing something in the outdoors, enjoying the company, and seeing the beauty that nature offers, it's so good for you emotionally and physically. They were really a lifesaver and a huge part of my recovery after my diagnosis and horrible relapse that I had in 2011. But there's things that you can do to help yourself. Hydrate, make sure you carry water with you so you can always be drinking lots of water, even in the cold. You still can get dehydrated, especially in Colorado, we can get dehydrated. Bring your crampons, bring your walking sticks, bring your support. Somebody that understands your challenges, that will support you and make your trip positive, even when you're trekking through mud.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sliding. You know, it's a pretty strenuous hike. And I'd also like to do, what is it, the ladder to heaven, or there's something to the heavens. And, called Stairway to Heaven. I was getting tired. You get to the top of the mountain, and I would love to do that. That's kind of like Snuffles. Road ID is the best ID bracelet that I was able to find. Website is roadid.com. Check them out. They are amazing. You can put your medical history and profile on the internet. It's private. Bring good snacks, not the sugary kind. Really? Is that what you're eating? Eat the banana. So much better. All you're gonna do is get tired when you're eating sugar. He's such a sneak. Sugar is really hard to give up. There are little pieces of chocolate in there. It's actually cacao, so it's good chocolate. It's healthy. Concentrating on protein, you'll have more energy and sustained energy for these long hikes. Hydrate, and stretching is also a really good thing to do. Your muscles can get really tight, so remember to stretch along the way. Have fun. Enjoy the beauty of being outside. It's so good. But, you know, no matter where you are or what your capabilities are, you should never really hike by yourself. And if you can't find a bathroom, make your own. Find a bush, find a snowbank. I'm not proud. When I gotta go, I gotta go. Okay, we're heading home. We're back to town. I am so hungry and I'm ready for that chicken dinner. I made broiled chicken last night, so we're gonna have leftovers for dinner. But I planned it so that it was easy because I knew I was gonna be really tired after today. But what an amazing, beautiful hike and dog walk we had today. So thanks for joining me with Conquer MS. If you find value or you have fun watching my episodes, please do share. Consider subscribing. And do comment. Let me know how you're doing. Thanks for joining me again. My name is Katrina Toucke, and I'll see you on the next episode.